Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shri Demla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. I can already perceive the energy, so chirpy, bubbly, giggling, and fun. Take a long, deep breath in. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Now expand. Allow yourself to connect with the energy of the universe. Allow yourself to connect with the energy of the earth. Allow yourself to receive the bright white light flowing from the universe like a beautiful river of pure divine light, right to the top of your head, your crown chakra, and slowly and gradually moving through every cell of your body. And releasing and healing all the cellular memories of your childhood in this life or any other lifetime where you were asked to not be a child, where you were told that you are not good enough, where you were told that you are small, you are less, or where you felt that way, someone behaved with you that way, where you were controlled. There's a very old story that says that a little elephant is tied by one big nail and a rope, and that little elephant tries to just free himself from that nail, but he's not able to, and it gets programmed in his mind that the nail is bigger than him, that he cannot deal with the nail. So after multiple trials, he surrenders. He gives up. And the little elephant grows and become a giant, strong, powerful, big elephant. Yet, in his mind, he still thinks he's a little elephant. He still thinks that the nail is bigger than him. While he can just blow the nail away now, he doesn't even try because he had given up long time back. Because he has decided that he cannot deal with it, that the nail is bigger than him, that he should not even try because he has failed multiple times. So, everywhere you are still making yourself little. Everywhere you have already outcreated your situations, the people, the problem, and you are not giving a try because you have decided in your mind that they are stronger, that the situation is stronger, that the people are stronger. What if it is just in your mind? What if they are just like that little nail and you are an elephant that is now growing and has grown big enough, and all you need to do is to just try one more time. Just take the action rather. Just make a choice. Allow this bright white light to move through every cell of your body and heal everywhere you have considered being a child as being small or less powerful. Everywhere you have considered being a child means less intelligent or that you don't know. And everywhere you're still being that, allow all of that to release. Allow this bright white light to work on your solar plexus today. Feel all the energies of powerlessness. What if, as a kid as well, you were powerful beyond this reality? You didn't even have to say or move a finger. How much were you connected with the universe? How much were you connected with your angels? And just because people could not do it, everywhere you gave it up because you were not validated. Or you thought, it's not normal in this reality. Just allow all of that to release. And right now, claim, own, and acknowledge all your powers. Imagine a bright yellow light at your solar plexus, shining brighter and brighter, and expanding, creating a ball of yellow light around you. Amazing. It's so amazing how the crystal for Archangel Gabriel is a citrine crystal, which is also yellow in color. And the chakra that is pulling your attention today is the power chakra, which is also yellow in color. Allow Archangel Gabriel to show up if you're not already perceiving the Archangel Gabriel and ask the Archangel Gabriel to help you heal all your inner child. Allow yourself to go to that point of time in your current life, any memory that is showing up where you gave up your powers to others. It could be your parent, it could be your teachers, it could be a relative, it could be anyone. And please know, whatever happened, whatever they said and did, could not have power over you. Maybe as a child you thought you don't have power. But if you are listening to me right now, if you are here with me, it still did not kill you. It just made you stronger. Bring that person, or if there are multiple memories, you remember those multiple people and situation in front of you right now, and you can see that child shouting at them, I am powerful. You cannot put me down. And ask that child to now say whatever they truly wanted to say in that situation. You can tell the child that I am there with you, the adult here. And I am much stronger and wiser than I was at that time. And now we have Archangel Gabriel with us and all the other spirit guides and the divine light of the universe. So there is nothing to be scared. And you can now ask the child to claim, own, and acknowledge and receive back all the powers the child gave away in that situation. Receive the power, and you can look at the child. How happy the child is. This that you perceive and experience in this child right now is the most precious thing in the world. The childlike innocence. The innocence of a child. It's the most precious thing. And what if you can still have it, irrespective of whatever that has happened with you in this life? Just hug the child, embrace the child, and allow all of that joy, that happiness, that powerfulness, that confidence, that childlike innocence and wonder integrate into each and every cell of your body. And allow yourself to be present with your physical body right here, right now, where you are, in the room you are in right now, in your physical room. Thanks to Archangel Gabriel for the healing. And now let us all just expand beyond our houses, beyond the city, beyond the planet. And from that space of expansiveness, let us bless the entire earth and every child on this planet Let us bless every child on the planet. You have a beautiful life. You have a powerful life. And to have a joyful life. And to be able to be the gift they are born to be. Thanks to Archangel Gabriel. Thanks to the universe. Thanks to the Mother Earth. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Take your attention to your physical body, your hands and your feet. You can take your hands away from your heart. Rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Sri Demla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.